Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Fornoi Easy Weld machine. First, prioritize safety by wearing an auto-darkening helmet, welding gloves, and fire-resistant clothing. Make sure your workspace is well ventilated and clear of any flammable items. Connect the ground clamp securely to clean, bare metal on your workpiece. Finally, ensure your machine is plugged into a dedicated 120-volt outlet for optimal performance. Proper material preparation is crucial for strong welds. Begin by thoroughly cleaning your metal, removing all paint, rust, or coatings. Next, select the correct wire or electrode size. For example, a 0.030-inch flux-cored wire is common. Consult your machine's chart to set the appropriate wire feed speed and voltage based on your material's thickness. If stick welding, choose the right electrode and set your amperage, often between 50 and 70 amps. Now let's focus on technique. Maintain a consistent stick out, typically about 1/16 of an inch, between your electrode and the workpiece. To start, tap or scratch the electrode on the metal, then immediately pull the trigger for wire feed machines. Control your travel speed to create an even, consistent weld bead. For wider welds, use a slight Z or circular motion, always keeping the arc at the leading edge of your molten puddle. After welding, it's time for cleanup and maintenance. Use a chipping hammer and wire brush to remove any slag and spatter from your finished weld. Carefully inspect your bead for consistency, proper penetration, and any imperfections. To keep your Fornoi Easy Weld running smoothly, regularly clean the gun nozzle and contact tip. Finally, always store your machine in a dry, safe environment and disconnect it from power when not in use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.